Hey there, YouTube! How's it going? I'm JP Natural, and today we're going to be taking a look at the other Bomberman game I played growing up. We're looking at Bomberman Hero for the Nintendo 64. Ah! Get out of the way! Aw. This feels like the opening to a Bomberman anime. Ah! Bomberman Hero. Just want to listen to this for a bit. Now, this is a game I know I haven't looked at in 25 years. Bomber Nebula, which I guess is the solar system we're on. Uh-oh, a new enemy has surfaced. Uh-oh. Oh no! The Primus Star. We need to tell Bomberman and his friends right away! You mean Princess Million? Something is approaching. What's approaching? Oh. Yeah! Uh-oh. Oh, the tractor beam. Take this disc and go hide in the engine room. Oh, she's about to be captured. Princess Million, what are you going to do? Don't worry about me, just hurry! And thus our story begins on the planet Bomber. Of course, we got a story here. Ooh. Eerie. No, oh, I'm covering it up. I'm gonna pause it a little bit just so we can move myself over a little bit. Just so you guys can see that little corner there a little bit better. There we go. So as you can tell, if I wasn't in the way, there's now a little indicator to let you know how big your bomb is. Or how big your bomb will be. Oh, and look, I can actually jump this time. And I have a health bar too. This is a weird way to get into the training section. Hold B to throw a rolling bomb. Hold longer for to throw up to 4 bombs at once. Okay. Like I said, just like Bomberman 64, it's been like... Ow! At least Bomberman got stronger between 64 and now. And again, I am playing this off of the Project 64 emulation. How do I get that walkie-talkie up there? Oh well. And maybe, oh, maybe I was just supposed to go into there. Maybe. At least now I can just run and throw my bombs. Ooh. An extra hit, I believe. I don't know what that is. Again, I played this game when I was like 20, not 20, what am I saying? I am like 30 now, but I haven't played this game since I was like 8 or 9 years old. No, wait, this game had like 2000? Yeah, probably like 99, 2000, so I was probably like 8 or 9 years old. Oh wait, I think I'm supposed to like There we go. Tap the R button or C down twice to do a bomb kick. And then, yeah, use the right thumbstick or the C stick to do up, left, and right. Okay. Ah! Well, at least I'm now familiar with the controls. I don't think the game again expected me to do this long controls. It's the Bomberbot. Bomberman, you're back. I'll train you now. Okay. The soundtrack's not as memorable as the first game, but it still has its moments. Oh boy. He looks angry. What was that? We'll have to worry about that later. There we go. This is what I mean by the soundtrack has its moments. I can't sway from side to side properly yet. I still don't know how to do that. But trust me, I'm swaying to the music. Oop, nope. Yep, come on, I didn't even move. I barely moved that time. There we go, that'll work. Ow, okay, so I can't do that. Got it. You'll earn points if you defeat enemies or get items. Okay. Take that, spring. What was that for? Well, I rolled as soon as he did. Chicken! Take that, chicken! Ow, the chicken attacked me too! There we go. Run from the chickens! Yeah, the center bomb underneath to activate this reaction tile. Okay, I don't know what that does. Whee! Whee! There we go. Hopefully we'll get a lot farther than this than I did with 64. Out of the way. I'm down to my last hit point. Take that. I believe in this game you do get a place a bomb with a switch on the local move, okay. You do get a level score of 1 to 6, I believe, depending on how you do on that level. Get that robot away. 2 dots, there we go. I did it! Dang it. See, yeah, the more you destroy, the more points you get, the higher the score gets. I never played enough of this game to realize how much of the points I need. But I gotta be careful. Place a bomb on the conveyor belt, okay. Oh. Left to do but go up. Take that thing. There we go. Alright, that'll stop the conveyor belt there at least. Now, like I mentioned in the last video, most people play Bomberman 64 Bomberman nowadays for the multiplayer mode. In fact, that's kind of the point now with Konami. Oh no! I'm dead. Dang it. Well, at least it starts off at the last point. Take that thing. Really? I'll just have to do it myself then. So yeah, unfortunately I did stop playing Bomberman after this era. I never played the DS games, or I haven't played any of the modern games either that came out for PlayStation, Xbox, and the Switch. What's there? Kick button, dang it. Okay, there it is. Ah! Dang it. Take that. I think I was supposed to grab these. I'll grab these, oh. Out of the way. There we go. You'll need a card key to get that door at the other end. There we go. I don't have to struggle anymore through the conveyor belts. Oh, wait. Guess I still have to go through these. There we go. Did I take care of that guy? Yes, I did. I think I did, at least. Yep. Good. Alright. Let's go on the other side and take care of that. Yeah, the game does encourage you, I think, to explore. There we go. Alright. Good enough for 1,500 points there. Yep. You know, I play games like these, but I will still tell you straight to your face I've never played Legend of Zelda, Banjo-Kazooie, or what's another one? What's another major Nintendo game I never really played? What's this? Let's go around here. Oh, no, okay. Forgot about teleportation. Take that. Oh, it's an alternate exit.
I did it!
Yay! Oh, I think it's because I did that I get to go to a secret room. To open the tower door, you'll need 4 key crystals. Oh, I guess that's what these things are. Which we get to hear this song again. Oh, there's extra health out. Ah, that was a trapdoor. Gotta be careful of those. There's enemies around those ones. Whee! Alright, so I gotta avoid those ones. Unless I can find a way to just safely. Oh, there we go. Oh, I see. I missed one of those. Oh, okay. There we go. Alright, we got 2 of those. Is there any hidden around here? Oh, but there's right there. There we go. I don't think I really paid attention to where I got these as a kid. Ah, I gotta stop doing that. Oh, okay. I am supposed to destroy those things. Okay, but I gotta be careful. I got 1 hit bar again. Hit point again. There we go. Gotta be careful. Oh, sounds like there's a chicken again. With those chickens. Like I said, luckily I could jump this time. Ah, dang it. Oh, try again. So yeah, the hook of this game is that throughout the later levels, Bomberman will acquire power-ups that'll be the only way you can get through certain levels of the game. Destroy those chickies! take that. You're not gonna hit me anymore. There we go. 3 clear points. Yay! I did it! Which now, I guess, allows me to skip the heavy room and on to the sky room. So we'll do this area, and then we'll call it a level. We'll call it a day. Take that. Hey, who are you? Oop, got the jump. What's this? I don't know what I got there. But okay. Hey, where you going? Oh, wait. I don't remember why he left again. Oop. There we go. Dang it, didn't get him. No! No! Oh. I guess the plus to this is that the game does have unlimited lives. That's a plus, I think. Although it does, like most arcade score-based systems. Where did I die? Why did I fall off like?
Game's over.
Well, that proved me wrong. Okay, that's a perfect place to stop anyway. You get the point of this game by going through the first level, or the first area of the game. So with that said, folks, thank you so much for tuning in to watch me fail again at Bomberman Hero. Bomberman. Thanks for watching me play Bomberman Hero for the N64. I appreciate you guys sticking around, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Take care, everybody, and goodbye.